Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Power the pocket Wi-Fi and confirm battery is above 20% so you don't drop connection mid-test. Next, check the SIM is seated, unlocked from PIN, and the data plan is active. This prevents false hardware troubleshooting. Once done, glance at signal bars and reposition the device toward a window or higher location to improve reception. Make sure airplane mode is off on the device you connect with before moving to network checks. Now you tackle configuration. Restart the pocket Wi-Fi and wait 30 seconds before powering back on to clear transient faults. Log into the admin page and verify SSID, password, and APN match your carrier settings. Incorrect APN is a common silent blocker. Once configured, connect a second phone or laptop to isolate client issues, then run a speed test and built-in diagnostics to see if DNS or gateway responses fail. If DNS times out, switch to a public DNS temporarily. Finish with advanced fixes. Check for firmware updates in the admin interface and apply them if available, because software bugs often block internet access. If problems persist, back up settings and perform a factory reset. This clears corrupted configs. To isolate, move the SIM into another hotspot or phone to confirm the SIM and account. If none of this works, collect error logs, note timestamps, and contact your carrier for provisioning checks. Pro tip: keep a screenshot of signal strength and error codes before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.